Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Test.io. Test.io is a crowd testing platform where companies hire testers to check websites, apps, and digital products for bugs and usability issues. It connects freelance testers with projects from different industries, giving you a chance to test real products before they launch. Setting up is free, and you can start after completing a short onboarding process. Most tests involve finding and reporting bugs with detailed steps, screenshots, or videos as proof. Payments depend on the type and severity of bugs you find. Critical issues usually pay more than minor ones. Some projects also pay fixed amounts for completing full test cycles. Earnings are paid through PayPal or other payment methods, usually once a month. One advantage is that there are many projects available, so active testers can earn regularly. It's also a great way to build experience in software testing if you're interested in a tech career. However, competition can be high since many testers are working on the same projects. Accuracy and clear reporting are important because duplicate or low-high bug reports may not get paid. The platform supports testers worldwide, making it flexible and accessible. Work is done remotely, so you can test wherever you have free time. Test.io also offers learning resources to help beginners improve their testing skills. Overall, it's a legit platform for earning side income, especially for those interested in software testing and technology. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.